Today we're checking out a sneaker that just released last week, and this is the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE. And with that being said, it has that pale ivory colorway with university gold among a variety of other colors. But with that being said, in this very video, we're going to be uncovering where this shoe is worth it. And stay tuned because trust me, you do not want to miss what we're going to uncover at the end. Is it the unique colors, the nostalgic throwback feel, or does it have a deeper cultural impact we can't ignore? Stick around until the end to see if this sneaker really deserves a role in your collection. And for future reference, if you do want to shoes, there will be links down below in the description. All right, let's go ahead and dive straight into this. And I first off want to say to you guys that this is not just any regular dunk. This is a bold colorway with that pale ivory, sail, university gold, and light crimson that promises to turn heads. But is it truly worthy of that legendary junk status? Let's go ahead and break it down. When you first look at the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Pale Ivory in that sail university gold and light crimson, the first thing that jumps out to you is the mix of colors and textures. Nike has always known how to balance bold and subtle elements, and this dunk is a prime example. Let's go ahead and break down these materials. The upper features a mix of premium leather, soft suede, and some mesh in the toe box for added breathability. Each material works together to create this seamless feel that is soft yet durable. But it's not just the textures that actually stand about this shoe, it's also about its unique colors. You've got that pale ivory and a sail base that gives it that smooth, neutral undertone. But then Nike really goes for it with the pops of university gold and light crimson, which brings this whole sneaker to life. The university gold is eye-catching, it's rich, and has a warm tone that makes the swoosh pop against the pale ivory. And when it comes to the light crimson accents on the heel tab and inner lining, there's a little surprise that adds that unexpected and bold edge to this sneaker right here. The sail midsole keeps the whole thing grounded with that classic off-white look, and the classic pivotal circle tread gives you a perfect and same grippy amount of support we've come to expect from dunks over the years. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the comfort on these sneakers right here. And a lot of people forget to say that dunks are not just seen for their looks, but they're also good for all day wear. This Retro SE features a cushioned insole and soft padding around the collar, which makes these surprisingly comfortable for all day wear. So if you're looking for an affordable everyday sneaker, go ahead and check out those links down below in the description so you can get the best of the best deals for this shoe right here. Even if you're not using these for basketball or even skating, this is the perfect shoe for an everyday scenario. The collar is actually pretty high profile and it's not too stiff, but it gives you that right amount of snug fit when wearing this shoe. One of the best parts of getting the Nike Dunk Low is simply the fact that when you wear this shoe, you simply don't have to even worry about having discomfort. When wearing this shoe, let's give in the scenario of maybe you're going to run errands, maybe you're going to meet a friend, or let's say just even strolling around, this shoe has a great combination of cushioning but also support, which makes it seem as if you're not even wearing a shoe. It's the kind of shoe you can wear all day, and honestly, that's one of the main factors why the Nike Dunks have been able to endure for so long. They're practical without sacrificing on your style. What set the Dunk apart was simply its versatility, and not only was it a great performance shoe, but it was also one that expressed individuality and culture. So if you feel that this shoe rocks your vibe and kind of expresses your style, I definitely recommend checking them out. When the Dunk hit the skate scene, it was a game changer. It wasn't just about basketball anymore. It was about the attitude, the creativity, and about expressing your style. And that is definitely still true today. The Dunk is more than just a sneaker, and it's a cultural symbol. Fast forward to now, and the Dunk is one of the most influential sneakers in the streets market. It's not just about the basketball or even the skating anymore. It's simply about expressing your style, and with colorways just like the pale ivory, university gold, also with that light crimson and sail, Nike is keeping the Dunk's legacy alive while pushing it forward into today's streetwear culture. This specific colorway is exactly what the streets are looking for right now, and the pale and neutral base makes it versatile for anyone, but the university gold and light crimson accents are a bold choice. They make it stand out, but in a way that feels wearable for every day. This dunk isn't loud, it's simply confident. Whether you're pairing it with a simple hoodie or going for an elevated look with a bomber jacket, the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE works seamlessly in any wardrobe. It's proof that a sneaker doesn't have to shout to make an impact. And I think that's the appeal to this sneaker right here. It's accessible, it's stylish, and it's also timeless, but it also gives that unique edge to be able to stand out within any crowd. So why should you exactly grab this pair? The Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Pale Ivory in that sail University Gold and light Kermison is not just a sneaker. It's an opportunity to tap into a cultural moment, and it's a sneaker that tells a story, which is a story that connects past, present, and the future. If you want to be a part of that legacy, this Nike Dunk is definitely for you, and the links down below make it super easy for you to go ahead and see them for yourself. The colorway, the comfort, and the heritage all come in a package that's hard to beat. So if you haven't grabbed your pair already, go ahead and check the links down below in the description to go ahead and copy a pair for a great price of $125, or even better with the links I provided down below in the description. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out that link down below in the description and go ahead and copy you a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE. And with that being said, you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for some more sneaker content, and let me know, drop your thoughts. Is a sneaker a cop or is it a drop for you? And I'll see you in the next one with some more sneaker reviews.